The Yara brand sets the standard in fertilizer quality, bringing consistency from bag to bag and from year to year. All Yara products are formulated to the declaration with the analysis guaranteed, giving confidence that what is on the bag is in the bag. YaraMila is the brand name used to help customers recognize Yara's true uniform compound products, which contain the required major nutrients: nitrogen in the nitrate form, phosphate, potash, and when needed, sulfur. They are clearly branded YaraMila, followed by the grade name and analysis. All YaraMila grades have a lower carbon footprint because they're produced in Yara factories installed with Yara's own developed N2O catalytic abatement technology, reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 90% with further production reductions targeted. This, in conjunction with our in-field advice tools such as N-Plan, N-Tester and N-Sensor, means choosing YaraMila's nitrate-based fertilizers can reduce the fertilizer carbon footprint by 50% over non-abated fertilizers, taking account of the life cycle approach to their use. The majority of Yara's high-quality compound range are YaraMila branded True Uniform products, meaning all the nutrients are contained in each granule or prill. This assures accurate and even spreading of the nutrients across the field. With poorly matched blended products which have separate nutrients with differing sizes and shapes, segregation will occur as the individual particles separate out across the field according to their size and density. Segregation of poorly matched blended products can happen during blending, bagging, transport and handling, as well as during application from the fertilizer spreader. Where this occurs, it can lead to large variations in the application rate of each nutrient to the crop, resulting in significant financial, yield and quality losses. With true uniform compound products, segregation of individual nutrients cannot happen, and even spreading of nutrients is guaranteed. Coefficient of variation, or CV, is the name given to the measurement of accuracy of spreading. To achieve the lowest CV, it is important to set the spreader correctly for the product to be applied, as each product will have different physical properties which affect the spread pattern. For poorly size-matched blends with more than one raw material, the setting is a compromise, as component materials have different settings due to their size and bulk densities. Larger, denser particles will spread further than lighter ones, and different-sized particles have different nutrient content, leading to segregation of nutrients during spreading. In turn, this will create uneven crop growth, and at extreme levels will show up visibly as striping in crops, resulting in loss of yield and profit. Spreaders should be calibrated and tray tested annually for every product used. Uniform application and distribution of nutrients is one of the key benefits of using a YaraMila True Uniform compound fertilizer. In the illustration shown, YaraMila compounds have been compared to a blend of the same analysis, with the distribution profiles based on the particle weights of the YaraMila compound, and for the blend, the individual blend components. With YaraMila compounds, each particle delivers every nutrient it contains and results in more landing sites, maximizing the nutrients delivered to each plant in the field. Yara bag development experiments suggest liner thickness should be targeted at more than 85 microns for blends to prevent irregular shaped particles puncturing the liner. This would cause water ingress from the base during storage, leading to caking and problems during application. Poor storability can also lead to degradation of the component nutrients, in particular nitrogen, which will further impact the quality of the product and its ability to spread accurately across the bout width. As the component particles deteriorate, their strength reduces, which will lead to shatter on the veins and a higher proportion of dust during spreading, resulting in a loss of nutrients to the crop. Over the years, Yara has conducted a number of surveys investigating the quality of blended fertiliser products available to farmers in the UK. Results continue to show a significant percentage of analysis failing to meet statutory declared levels. Of the products analysed, 39% were found to be illegal in their primary nutrients declaration. Of the 4 products declaring secondary nutrients, 2 were found to be illegal. The findings also showed that many competitor blends were in thin bags, likely to cause problems if stored, and that bags were underweight, highlighting the additional risks of buying poor quality blends. YaraMila True Uniform compounds contain all the desired nutrients in every prill or granule, meaning they spread accurately across the full bout width with no risk of segregation. They also carry the Yara guarantee of consistency from bag to bag and from year to year, with a lower carbon footprint and guaranteed analysis, meaning what's on the bag is in the bag, and the nitrogen is always in the readily available nitrate form. Choose YaraMila compounds for even crop growth, which will maximize the returns from your investment in fertilizer and maximize your profitability.